Hi Year 7, I'm going to show you how to log on to Showbie or register if you don't know already. So type Showbie into your search engine. If you've already got an account because you set it up with Miss Daly or Miss Moppet, then go to sign in and sign in with your username and your password. If you don't know those, please contact Miss Daly or Miss Moppet, whoever was your last teacher, and get those set up please, or get those from them. If you haven't got an account, click at the bottom there to sign up for free. Go to I'm a student, sign up with username, and then I will just put in a fake name and a username and a password. So you obviously put in your own name here, your first name and your surname, make up a username, write it in your planner, and write down a password and write that in your planner as well so you don't forget them. Click on sign up. Username is already taken, so I'll just have another go. I'm signing up. If I want to join a class, then if you are in 7X, so 7X resistant materials, please type in DEKAZ and click join class. If you are in 7Y resistant materials, type in EBZDM and click join the class. It's really important that you join the right class. So 7X and 7Y have two different codes, so make sure you choose the right one. At the top here you can see my fake name, but your name will be displayed there. You've got your username. If you forget it, write it down. Okay, and you've just got some more information there. If I go to online learning, the first thing I need to do is click the link and watch the video. And the video is all about design and technology, okay, and why it's important to do it and why we need it. So I want you to watch that video first, please. And then back in Showbie, I want you to answer the questions on this slide, these questions here, after you've watched the video. So you can do two things. You can either write the questions on the sheet using this tool here. So if I click here, what does design mean to you? It means creativity and problem solving. If I save it and click my initials, it disappears. What products do you use regularly that have been designed? Regularly, I use my toothbrush and I use a hairbrush. They've both been designed. Click my initials to disappear, and you can answer it like that, and then you just click done and it loads here, and the little paperclip there means that you've done the work. However, if you want to download it and print it or do something else with it, you go to the arrow at the bottom here, click that, download PowerPoint, and then I'll open up the PowerPoint here onto PowerPoint, and what I can do there is I can now type into the PowerPoint. When I've answered all 6 of the questions, or when you have, I'll save it. And then I go back to Showbie and I click done. I click on the little plus here and I add from computer. I find my PowerPoint, I click, and it uploads here at the bottom, and you can see now this is what I've just uploaded. If I open this, I can highlight sections. You can change the colour of the highlighting tool if you want. You can write on it if you want. You can change the colour again. So you can tick it, say you've done it right or whatever. You can rub things out if you do something wrong. and you can use the little text tool like we used before. You can cancel it as well. Okay, so that is how you use the little tools in Showbie. This one here is a voice tool, so you click on that and you can record yourself speaking, but you probably don't need to use that. Then you click done. If you want to ask me any questions, type it in here, post it, and then I will get an email to say that you've asked me a question. So I will check the question and I will write back to you in here. Okay, and that is pretty much how you use Showbie. So make sure that you use the right code when you sign up to get into the right classroom. If you're already signed in, you can join another class. So say for example you join Miss Daly's class for art and you now need to join the RM class, log in like normal and just click join another class and then put the code in for resistant materials, and then I will that will allow you into the resistant materials class. You'll still be able to see the art class, but that will also allow you into the resistant materials. So log in as normal, join another class, type it in there. Sign out when you're finished,